Ellen. I'm gonna get it back to Coney Ellen. You're Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, right in this wave.
Hey, T9, I'm gonna ride that wave on up to Coney Island. I'll tell you what, though, fucker. Hey, T9, the watchmaker on the shock wave. I'm waving.
Right back on the shock wave, right back on the shock wave. Sounding real good around Coney Island, no doubt about it there. Hey, watchmaker, I'm trying to put it right where you can get it, right where you can get it, right where you can get it. Watchmaker, Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down.
Hey, riding way back there, T9, riding way back, man. You have yourself a good one. I sure hope you're staying safe up there. I know I'm locked down here, and it's good to hear your voice, sir. Hey, Trinitron9, your watchmaker on the shock wave, right back.
Right back on the shock wave, right back on the shock wave. Take care, man. I heard you earlier on your beam, man. I heard you earlier on your beam. Take care, watchmaker. We'll do it again the next time around. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down?
Hey, got down, T9, got down. We'll do it again, my brother. We'll do it again. No doubt about it. I'll be down there. I'm on lockdown. I'm going to be on this radio. Hey, Trinitron9, your watchmaker. I'm going to coast right back.
And that's a watchmaker, Roger. All right, I'm going to pull it back to the shoreline, copy the mail, and see what's going on. Hey, watchmaker, wave a hand to everybody out there. Let them know I'm okay. I'll catch you later. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Bye.
I'll catch you later, T9. You stay safe, my big brother. Trinitron9, your watchmaker. I'm going to coast beast is gone.
Click.
It's a 27 speaking over the Floody Rock ground plane. Hello, watchmaker. Hey, watchmaker, it's 27 around me too. Speaking your radio, working this Floody Rock ground plane. What about a watchmaker? Hello to you, watchmaker 27. Hello, watchmaker. Watchmaker, can you say 27 New Jersey on a 40 Rock ground plane? Watchmaker 27 New Jersey is back wide. With the cornbread in his hand. I heard you talking to a watchmaker, and I tried to speak to Floody Rock ground plane and watchmaker's radio, but I guess I cannot make the trip. Thank you, sir.